Namaste, viewers. It's Tuesday morning, January 28th, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5 minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. From New York to London to Mumbai and Tokyo, equities got hammered. Sensex and Nifty entered the January series expiry week on shaky ground, weighed down by a cocktail of factors: weak global cues, disappointing Q3 earnings, US trade policy uncertainty, foreign outflows, and China's latest AI model, DeepSeek. Reflecting this nervousness, benchmark equity indices BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 ended the week's first trading session lower, settling down by over 1% each, dragged down by the selling across all sectors. The 30 share Sensex tumbled as much as 824 points or 1.08% to settle at 75,366. Mirroring the Sensex, NSE Nifty 50 also ended lower by 263 points or 1.14% at 22,829. Nifty plunged below 22,800 for the first time since June 2024. India's benchmark indices had wrapped up the previous week with a third straight weekly loss. Foreign portfolio investors have been net sellers, pulling out a staggering 69,080 crore rupees from Indian equities in January alone. The day ended in favor of the bears as 43 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged down by HCL, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Hindalco, and Shriram Finance. Meanwhile, ICICI Bank, Britannia, Mahindra and Mahindra, Hindustan Unilever, State Bank of India were among the 7 constituent stocks that ended in the green. The volatility index, India VIX, which gauges the volatility in market, ended higher by 8.28% at 18.13 points. The carnage wasn't confined to the frontline indices. The broader markets took a severe hit too, with the Nifty Small Cap 100 and the Nifty Mid Cap 100 indices ending down by 3.84% and 2.75% respectively, thereby eroding over rupees 9 lakh crore of investor wealth. All 13 sectoral indices ended in the red, with Nifty Energy, IT, metal, media, oil and gas, and pharma bearing the biggest brunt. The ongoing earnings season continues to steer market sentiment, with results so far skewing negative. Several companies have fallen short of expectations, dampening investor confidence. Shares of Lotus Labs plunged 11.6% as Donald Trump's withdrawal from WHO and halting emergency funding programs raised fears of a hit to its antiretroviral business, which accounts for nearly half of its revenue. Meanwhile, CDSL shares tumbled 10% following a weak sequential quarterly performance, according to the broader market woes. Bucking the trend, private lender ICICI Bank rose over 1% after reporting higher quarterly profits, supported by robust loan growth, even as lending margins faced some pressures. In the US overnight, Wall Street had a rough start to the week on concern that a cheap artificial intelligence model from Chinese startup DeepSeek could make valuations of the technology that has powered the bull market tough to justify. The S&P 500 lost 88 points to end at 6,012, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 612 points or 3.07% to 19,341. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose to 89 points or 0.65% to 44,730. Brent crude is $79.98 a barrel. Gold is 80,820 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 90,530 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market, the Nifty 50 remained under pressure throughout the session, closing at 22,829, the lowest closing level since June 6, 2024. This formed a bearish candlestick pattern on the daily chart, signaling weakness. The momentum indicators also suggest a negative trend ahead. If the index decisively closes below 22,800, a fall towards 22,670 and then 22,500 can't be ruled out in the upcoming sessions. However, on the higher side, 23,000 may act as an immediate resistance, according to analysts. All eyes are now on three pivotal events: the Union budget on February 1, the impact of China's DeepSeek, and the US Federal Reserve's rate decision on January 29. That will set the tone for the market in the 6-day trading week. Remember, Feb 1 is a working day for the markets as the budget will be presented on that day. Stocks to watch today: Tata Steel, Coal India, Greaves Cotton, Wipro, Bajaj Housing, Federal Bank, 361 WAM, IGL, Keynes, Imami, Piramal Enterprises, Prudent Corporate Advisory Services, Updata Services, Railtel Corporation of India, Union Bank of India, Pratap Snacks, Mahindra Logistics, Petronet LNG, Maharashtra Seamless, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, Tata Power Company, and Samman Capital will be in focus on January 28 today. That's it from me for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing. Stay inspired and remember, it is all about money.